guess in this video I'm going to discuss about find department wise nth highest salary in Oracle database. So and here I'm using the EMP table, and this is the record inside EMP table, and here working for for Oracle, and here using escort schema. So add here find department wise nth highest salary. So add here the most important column is the cell and DP number. So add here first I'm going to do order by DPT number. So let's execute this query. So see at DPT 10, it's 3 times, 20, it's 5 times, and 30, it's 6 times, and there is a 1 and null value. So add here, so this is the table add here. So in DPT 10, so 3 rows 25, 36. So I want to display add your first highest salary on DPT 10. So this is 2450, sorry, 5000 is the first highest salary, and like this I want to display second highest salary, third highest salary on department wise. So for this, let's write the query. So add here going to select. So select add here selecting EMP number. The next column going to select E name, and here after DPT number, and here SAM column. Now here after let's use branch rank function. So about the branch rank function I already discussed. Now here after let's use over, and here order by SAM from EMP table. So if you execute this query, so first let's select the 4 column EMP number, ename, DPT and SAL column, and here going to apply dance rank function. So at here this will get the dance rank on salary. So at here we have to give order by. So by default, if you don't give anything, so it's by default in ascending order. So see at here order by, so salary 800, 950, it's all by order by. So here this is the dance rank, it's displaying. So in place of this I'm going to give at here alias as, and here giving A. So in place of this all, so the A will display. Now execute. So see add it's a K displaying. So add here I created the dance rank on SAL column. So see add here, so 800, 950, 1100, 1250, 1250. So add here when that found any duplicate value, so it's a create add here means unique values. So duplicate value it's a 1250, 1250. But add here the rank created only unique. So it's for 1250, 1250. So if you know display table or in table or the highest and lowest salary, so 800 is the lowest salary in the table. So you can easily use K and use the K and filter. So select a star from here after give where K equal to 1. So after that you can find or display a smallest salary on the table. So my intention is to show you in this video to find out department wise nth highest salary. So at here the next thing is, so at here going to make this one is descending order. Salary is displaying first. So 6000 is the highest salary on this table. So 6000 it's a dance rank created 1 here. Second highest salary on table 5000, 3000 here, third and fourth. Now here after I'm going to make the partition on 10 in one partition, 20 one partition, 30 one partition. Then after we can filter. So let's use add a partition by or DPT number. So DPT number in one partition, sorry DPT 10 one partition. I execute this query. So see at here 10, it's a one partition, and here the highest salary is the 5000, and 2450 is the second, 1300 is the third highest salary. And in or DPT or 20, the first highest salary is the 3000, 3000. Yeah, like this. Now here after we need to filter first highest salary, second highest salary. Yeah. So for this we have to use add first or select a statement that is select a star from. Now here after bracket and here let's close that by bracket. Now here after give alias k and here where k equal to 1. So if you want to display department 10, 20, 30 first higher salary, so you have to give k. So k is the dance rank. In place of this all, it's a k. Now execute this query. So see at here. So in DB 10, first higher salary is the 5000. 20 in DB 20, first higher salary is the 3000. So that here it's a displaying 1 1. So there are two heights. So and Escort and Ford has the 3000 salaries. It's displaying two times. And here 36,000 is the highest salary. So you can display second hash salary. So you can easily filter out by giving k equal to 2. So see at here k. So in DB10 second hash salary 2450, 20, 2975 and 30 2850. You cannot display third hash salary, so let's skip 3. So here, so third highest salary is the 10, 1300, 20, 1100 and 30, 1600. If you now find out fourth highest salary, so here let's give 4. So in DPT or 10, there are no any fourth highest salary. Check that. So see at here or 10 only three times. So it can we can only find our third highest salary in DP 10. But and here or 20 it's a 5 times, so we can find out to fifth highest salary there. So let's execute this again. So see that in DB 20 the fourth highest salary is the 800 and 30 fourth highest salary is the 1500. So like this we can filter out any highest salary, nth highest salary in department wise. So let's give K and here execute. So see right here, it's displaying our second highest salary in 10, 20 and 30. So select a start from. So here that select a start from, the table name is MP. Okay, so if you execute this query, so this will return this one. And you have to for filter or so we have to use where clause. So where clause at here give k equal to 1, 2, 3, whatever you like. You can easily find out by giving k equal to 2, 3, 4 any highest salary. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.